Hogan of Terrell Hogan, attorneys representing injured consumers. Every day, thousands suffer serious injury. If this has ever happened to you or your family, you already know how important it is to understand, protect, and enforce your legal rights. So this series is mainly for those who have never faced this kind of tragedy. In it, we'll share important information about consumer protection law, so that if you or a loved one ever suffers a serious injury, you'll know what to do. We have a right to expect the products we buy to be safe and to work as intended. When they don't, things can go seriously wrong and people can be hurt. When a manufacturer or seller of a dangerous or defective product is held accountable for injuring a consumer, it's called products liability. In fact, anyone who exposes a consumer to the dangers of a defective product, from the maker of the product or its component parts to the wholesaler and retailer, can be held responsible for that product and the injuries it causes. In a case of products liability, the victim must prove that the product was defective or unreasonably dangerous. Products can be defective in several ways. In design, this means the manufacturer actually developed and designed the product with a defect. In manufacturing, this is when a product is not made or assembled correctly. Something went wrong in the manufacturing process. In marketing, this is the case when products are not marketed with the necessary labels or accompanied by sufficient instructions for use, or if the manufacturer fails to warn consumers about dangerous aspects of the product. Basically, the law states that every product should meet the ordinary expectations of a consumer. It should work as intended, and it should not put the consumer at risk for injury from hidden dangers. Those responsible for making and supplying defective products are held by the law to be responsible for the injuries they cause. Proving products liability can require expert investigation and testimony. If you or a loved one are ever injured by what you suspect is a defective product, seek legal counsel. By doing so, you can protect yourself and prevent many others from being harmed. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about consumer protection law. If you'd like more information on this topic, log on to terrellhogan.com. And if you ever need the advice of an attorney who represents injured consumers, we're here for you.